Here I am at Powell Butte Nature Park, home of the 50 million gallon underground water reservoir. And that's water for drinking in the future. In addition to that, it is the largest natural area on Portland's east side. So let's head on down this trail and see what we can find. So we'll just head on down this trail and see what's out there. But Bambi's mom, you're alive! Oh, this changes everything. It's so good to see you. Oh, hey. Hey, where are you going? Oh, you just want to eat some twigs and berries in the forest. Oh, okay. I understand. Well, it's really good to see you. Man, this place is just covered in nature. It's pretty fantastic what you're going to find out here. I wonder what else there is to see. Oh, gross. What is it? What is it? You're off to great places. Today is your day. Your mountain is waiting. So, get on your way. Theodore Seuss. Dr. Seuss, Wow, there's so many mountains out here. I wonder which one's mine. There's so many to choose from. So many. Maybe if I just follow this giant ground compass, that'll help me find my mountain. Perhaps if I just head in the direction of north, that'll get me to where I need to go. Oh, but first, wait, check this out. This random stranger dude right here, he's got a Totoro backpack. Okay, now back to my mountain. So I'm heading on down this trail here, just hoping it'll find me in the right direction. And then all of a sudden it just ends in some fence posts and some random rocks. What does it mean? What does it all mean? What does it mean? Apparently, the Stargate portal from the 1994 Kurt Russell sci-fi epic is up here on this hill for us to enjoy. Whoa, another deer. Man, this place is just lousy with majestic beauty. Why don't you come out here sometime and see what you can see? I think you'll be surprised. Well, that's about all the time we have for today. Why don't you say goodbye, little forest mouse friend? Goodbye. Goodbye.
He said, let's get out of this town, drive out of the city, away from